Hello, Canada. Is it time to rethink how you invest in crypto? Lately, I've been hearing a lot about a new AI-powered crypto platform popping up everywhere, from Telegram chats to Reddit discussions and YouTube breakdowns. At some point, my curiosity got the better of me. I decided to test it out for myself and see if the hype was real. The result? FundFusion honestly impressed me far more than expected. If you've been on the fence about crypto investing, maybe even a little intimidated by all the complex charts, flashy tools, or promises that seem too good to be true, you're not alone. I've tried out dozens of platforms over the years. Some looked sleek on the surface, but failed to deliver anything meaningful. FundFusion, though, was a game changer. Unlike traditional trading apps, FundFusion is a fully automated system that runs on advanced artificial intelligence. What makes it even more appealing is that it was created specifically with Canadian users in mind. The layout is clean, the setup is simple, and you don't need any prior experience in crypto or finance to get started. It's built for everyday people who just want to make their money work without the stress. And here's something worth knowing. I've got access to a special invite link that unlocks a welcome bonus you won't find on the official site. It's a limited time offer designed specifically for early users. So if you're interested, you may want to act fast. You'll find the link in the description. What really sets FundFusion apart is how effortlessly it works. The AI operates 24/7, constantly scanning global crypto markets, spotting trading opportunities in real time, and executing trades, all on its own. You don't need to monitor price charts or babysit your wallet. Once the system is up and running, it handles the entire process independently. And the results? While returns can never be guaranteed, many users report earning between 150 to 400 Canadian dollars per day, with some early adopters seeing monthly gains of up to 70%, depending on their setup and market conditions. The best part? After the initial setup, the AI gets smarter and more efficient the longer it runs. Security is also a top priority for FundFusion. The platform uses bank-level encryption, complies fully with Canadian KYC and AML regulations, and is hosted securely in Canada. Your assets and personal data are protected at all times, and if you ever need assistance, you'll speak with real people based in Canada, not bots. Getting started is surprisingly easy. FundFusion integrates smoothly with major crypto exchanges like Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase. All it takes is a few minutes. Connect your wallet, set your preferences, activate the AI, and let it take over from there. By using the invite link, not only do you get the bonus, but you also unlock additional features that regular users don't get right away. That gives you a real edge from day one. What also impressed me is how adaptive the technology is. Unlike other systems that rely on rigid indicators, FundFusion's AI adjusts dynamically to market changes and improves over time through machine learning. The longer it operates, the more accurate and profitable it becomes, without requiring constant tweaks from you. And despite the automation, you're still in the driver's seat. You set your own risk level, define stop-loss limits, and choose which coins you want to trade. The AI handles the execution, but you remain in control of the strategy. So, is FundFusion trustworthy? Absolutely. It's backed by a team that deeply understands the Canadian financial ecosystem. Their commitment to transparency, regulatory compliance, and user support, including one-on-one onboarding, makes it a rare standout in the crypto world. If you've been waiting for a smarter, safer, and simpler way to explore the world of crypto, this might just be it. With FundFusion's AI automation, Canadian-focused design, and user-friendly interface, crypto investing finally feels accessible and even exciting. Click the link in the description, register through the invitation, claim your welcome bonus, and start building your crypto future with FundFusion today.